I'm like so emotional today. Oh my gosh. Hello and welcome to a new vlog. I think by the time you're watching this, it's 2021 and I'm genuinely so jealous that you're already in 2021, so congrats. If you're new around here, my name is Sophie Stein. Hello, welcome, so happy to have you. I'm going to be posting 2 videos a week. That's my goal for 2021. It is currently December 28th and I don't know if you can tell or not, but I just had a good little cry to myself. It was like a good, healthy, happy cry. I just easily get overwhelmed with emotion and I feel a lot of feelings, and also the time of the month is quickly approaching, so I feel like that also has something to do with it. But I literally was just doing my devotional time and praying, and it was just, I don't know, a really good little prayer session, and I just really felt the Lord speaking to me and it was really nice. I don't want to get emotional again because wow, all the emotions today, but I do want to try to kind of be more vulnerable and like share the real parts of my life with you guys, especially going into 2021. I just want to try to be more me on the channel. I feel like a lot of times I put up a bit of a wall. I am a bit more reserved, like I put up a wall and I don't really show you like the full Sophie, if that makes sense. It's a little cringe, but anyway, I also cringe at myself all the time, which I'm trying not to do because I just need to be me, be myself. And if you like it, you like it and you'll stick around. If not, there's so many other wonderful people that you can watch on YouTube. So anyway, all that being said, I had a really great just prayer session talking to God about all of my goals and hopes and dreams for the new year and just life in general going forward. I don't know how much detail to go into, but it was really good and I just felt like his presence was very strong, and that obviously always makes me cry my eyes out. God is so good. Sorry, I'm like so emotional today. Oh my gosh. Sorry to like start this vlog off on such a emotional note, but it's just what's going on right now, so thought I would share. But the reason I got my camera out in the first place to start this vlog is I wanted to show you a couple of the things that I got for Christmas. I know that a lot of people are doing this video and this is probably very late because this is going up like sometime early January, but I was just about to do a little stretching yoga sesh and got out my new yoga mat that my mom got me. My mom was so sweet and got me so many things. I basically have like a full home gym now in our little house because she got me so many like nice workout tools. I like don't have that much room right now in the house to do this because of the Christmas tree, but once that's gone, there will be a good little space for my home workouts. This is the little yoga mat she got me. It is so cute. I love it. It's from Blog Eladies, which I've heard of her before, but I've never actually watched her videos. So I'm excited to actually like go find her channel and maybe follow along on some of her Pilates classes online. Okay, I just went and got the rest of the stuff. So this is the box that it came in. It comes with this little ball, this yoga strap. I think this ball is a massage ball. And then these like resistance bands, yoga strap, cutest dumbbells I've ever seen in my life. I don't know what this is, bronze, brass, whatever. And they're so nice. This is like such a soft little grippy thing. It kind of feels like suede. They're so cute. All of this stuff just looks so cute and like aesthetically pleasing, which we love. She also got me this little yoga block, which is so helpful. I love these, especially for like yin yoga. You can do really nice deep stretches with these. Also some resistance bands. So I guess these are the ones that you like put around your legs, and then I think this is the one that you can kind of step on and use for your arms. This just makes me so excited to get in shape and work out and work on my fitness in 2021. I have absolutely no excuses now. And while we're here, I might as well show you some other stuff that she got me. I've never seen a circular puzzle before or done one before, but it's a Jupiter. It looks like it's gonna be incredibly difficult because the colors just all kind of melt together and they all kind of look the same everywhere. So that's gonna be hard, but I'm excited to do this. She also got me this really cute planner. It's like baby pink. It says 2021 on the front. I love the layout of it. It has plenty of space. These are just the days of the week and there's plenty of space to write in there what you've got going on and your to-do list. and then a big thing of notes on the side here. And then the last thing I got from my mom is this set of shampoo and conditioner from Gizu. I have been wanting to try Gizu products for so long, probably like, I don't know, whenever it came out, maybe a couple years ago. I've always wanted to try Gizu, and it does not disappoint. So this is the honey infused hair wash and the honey infused conditioner. I guess it's just the classic shampoo and conditioner. First of all, how gorgeous is this packaging? It's just so precious, like the little baby pink pump, and I just love that it has a pump. And the conditioner, I just love the little pink touches to it. How do I explain the smell of this? Oh, it smells really good, but I don't really know how to explain it. It doesn't smell like overly perfumey or fake smelling, like artificial fragrance. It smells like honey, but like a really, really rich, fancy honey. I don't know if that description really did it justice, but it smells very, very luxurious and rich and makes you feel amazing. I've actually only used these once. Yesterday I washed my hair with this for the first time, and to be honest, my hair doesn't look like as amazing as it did yesterday today, but yesterday my hair looked better than I think it ever has in years. Feels a lot healthier, and it just looks so much shinier than it has in a really, really long time. So absolutely loving this so far. It's kind of funny because I just got the Briogeo shampoo and conditioner that I was telling you guys about, and I really, really love it, but this is just so special and makes my hair feel way shinier and healthier, to be honest. So loving, loving, loving these. So that is everything that my sweet mama got me, plus like a bunch of other really cute little stocking stuffery things, but I'll spare you from showing you everything that I got because it might be a little bit boring. Now Josh got me the most ridiculous, amazing, stunning, perfect gift that I could have ever asked for. He got me the Dyson Airwrap. I could not believe that he got it for me. It was just honestly beyond truly this gift. It's very expensive. I think it's like $600, which is a lot, and I'm so excited about it. Let me go get it. Here it is in all of its pride and glory. I'm gonna have to do like a full video on this and show you how I use it, but I am obsessed. My hair has literally never looked better. I know that I don't have like amazing hair, but it looks so good right now. Like I can actually do a blowout with this. It takes like 5 minutes, and I just can't tell you how much this has already changed my life in the past like 4 days. And it is so much easier to use than people think it is. Sorry, my mom just arrived and she's actually showering here now because, kind of long story, but anyway, I forgot where I was. Basically, it is the dreamiest, most amazing tool I've ever used in my life on my hair. It makes blowing out your hair so easy and seamless. I definitely want to make a whole video about this and show you how I use it and how simple it is. Okay, so this is sort of how it comes in the box, except of course this is not all out and messy like I have it. It comes with all of these pieces. This is the hair dryer. These are the curling barrels. So these are the same size and these are the same size, but there's a separate one for each side of your head. These, I don't really know exactly what they're for yet. I think maybe for like straightening your hair. And then this is just the blowout brush that I love. Like I said, I'm sure I'll be making lots of videos about this, using this and showing you how I use it. I used it yesterday just super, super quick when my hair was still wet and I ran out the door, so everything kind of fell out, but it still like has a little bit of shape and something to it. I love it because there's no like weird burning hair smell. Your hair doesn't feel like crunchy and gross after. Yeah, more videos on the Dyson Airwrap to come. Anyway, I need to get dressed because my mom and I are actually about to go out and get pedicures and go to the mall and go to dinner and just have a nice little mother-daughter day. Anyway, I need to go get dressed now, so I will see you in a little bit. Ready to go. I'm just wearing this little comfy, cozy set from H&M. It's like really massive, but that's kind of why I love it. It's just so comfy. And my chucks. I'm just so grateful that this is an acceptable outfit to wear in public because it's just so comfy, and it's my dream to always be in comfy, cozy clothes. All right, we are heading to the mall. Trip to the mall at Godiva. We're in line to get the best hot chocolate ever. It's so good here. Okay. We're in line. Oh, so good.
50%.
Ooh, everything is on sale today. Mom's very excited about it.
Can't go in yet.
Up a lot of goodies at Anthropologie.
Oh, yes.
Everything is on crazy sale. She got all of this for like under $300, and that's a lot of stuff. Okay, she's too excited. Mom and I are about to have dinner at Bar Taco. We actually already sat down, but I ran to the car to grab a jacket for her because she's cold. But Bar Taco is so good. And we're gonna have dinner and then go get pedicures. And then we are going to Whole Foods and then home. Sweet corn, spicy cucumber salad, Asian slaw, some yummy drinks, tacos, yeah, and the plantains. It is very dark. It is a couple days later now, actually, from when I last was vlogging on our little mother-daughter day, but I have to show you what I've just made. I made a garlic parmesan loaf, completely homemade from scratch. It's a no-knead bread recipe, so I didn't have to, like, you know, kill myself kneading it to death. Literally so easy, and I can't wait to show you this. Is that not the prettiest loaf of bread you've ever seen? I mean, it is mine for sure. I might be biased because I made it, but that is just perfection, and it smells so good. I just took her out of the oven like 10 minutes ago, so she's cooled off a little bit. I cannot express to you how good it smells in this house. I wish that I could share it with you somehow, but anyway, I'm gonna cut off a little piece and see how she tastes. I'll definitely make this again in another vlog and like share with you the whole process and how to make it, but it's very simple. I got it from my cousin actually. She made this bread probably 10 times over Thanksgiving. So I asked her for the recipe yesterday and she sent it over, and it looks just like the ones that she made. It's just perfection. Look at the bottom. It's not soggy. It has that nice hollow sound to it. I feel like this would win me some awards on the Great British Baking Show, but I have not tasted it yet, so I'm a little bit nervous to cut in and see the texture. Oh my gosh, this feels so satisfying. Whoa. What a beaut. It's absolutely beautiful. My one concern is that it is a little bit on the moist side, so I feel like I could have left it in for an extra 5 minutes probably, but I'm thinking maybe hopefully as it cools off that will kind of dry up, or like, you know, cook itself a little bit more since it's still hot in there. We will see, but anyway, it's still gonna be great. It's so good. I put Parmesan in here, and I also put 2 heads of garlic. You roast the garlic beforehand, and then you mix it in with the dough. So perfectly crunchy and crusty. And then soft in the middle. And there's so much flavor from the Parmesan and the garlic. Sorry, I'm talking with my mouth full, but can't help it. So as I was saying, the middle is a little bit too moist, like a tiny bit more moist than I would like it to be. But it's not like raw or doughy. It's just like very soft, which you might be a big fan of that. Here, I don't know if you can see what I'm talking about. I feel like it looks totally normal. And it is normal, like it's bouncy. It's not like raw and doughy. It's just very moist. But maybe that's normal, and maybe it just needs to like totally cool off, and then the moisture will get absorbed or something. But anyway, wow, I'm so proud of myself. This is definitely gonna be a new staple in my kitchen. I'm gonna have to make one of these loaves once a week. 2021, new things coming. Bread, homemade bread. I can't get over how pretty it looks. I'm so excited to bake some of these for my family and friends and just like surprise them with a homemade loaf of delicious bread. I feel like that's so fun. I definitely will show you how to make this step by step. It's very simple. It just has to sit overnight for like between 8 and 12 hours it has to sit. But apart from it letting it rest, it takes like no time at all to just whip together. Okay, I feel like I've rambled on enough about this bread, but I'm very excited about it. I will catch up with you in a little bit. I need to like take a picture of this and send it to my family group text and just blow everyone's minds. See you later. Good morning. It is a new day. It is the next day and I'm just getting ready. Just got out of the shower, put some makeup on, and now I need to do my hair. We're actually leaving today in like 30 minutes probably. Josh is clipping his fingernails. It's very loud. Anyway, we are about to go on a little road trip to visit my mama for New Year's. Today's New Year's Eve as I'm filming this. And we're gonna go to the beach. I'm so excited. She lives in Panama City, which is like 5.5 hours from us. So we've got a little road trip ahead of us. It should be a super nice little New Year's trip. I think we're just gonna be there for 3 nights, but it should be really fun. We're just gonna go to the beach, do a little polar plunge on tomorrow morning, New Year's Day. I cannot believe that tomorrow is 2021. For me anyway. For you, it's already been 2021 for a couple days, which is crazy to think about. I know not everything is going to change instantly as soon as the year takes over, but there is something very, very hopeful and exciting and motivational about a fresh start and a new year. We have not taken our tree down yet. We're just going to save that for when we get home, I guess, because it was too sad. I couldn't make myself do it. I'm just about to dry my hair with a Dyson, and I'm not going to give you like a full tutorial right now because, to be honest, I just don't have time right now because we're trying to get out the door on this road trip. But I will try to get a little time lapse of me doing my hair, and then you can see what it looks like after. Last night I cleaned all of my makeup brushes. So they're nice and fresh and ready for the new year. It feels so good. I reorganized all of my beauty station, which is like basically right here. I've got all my makeup and hair stuff, so I can do it here because our bathroom has terrible lighting, but it just feels so good to have everything refreshed for the new year. So as you can tell, I'm definitely not a pro at it by any means. I'm literally just dragging it through my hair and trying to create a little bit of volume, especially in this area. So I've just sort of dried all of it with a round brush, and then I'm gonna actually go in with one of the barrels and do a couple little curls so I just have some more shape and movement to my hair today. Just it's so quick and easy to do this. It just adds so much, and this little bouncy wave will stay in my hair for a few days, pretty much until I wash it. Again, not a pro at this. I've literally not even watched one tutorial, and I'm sure that once I do watch tutorials, I'll be looking 10 times better, but still, it's so fun, adds a little volume and shape. Alrighty, now I need to very quickly pack because I have not even got my bag together yet, and we need to leave in like 10 minutes. I'm all packed up and ready to go, dressed for the road. I'm just super comfy in my Jerk Avenue set. I hope they enjoyed this video. I can't believe this is the first video I'm posting in 2021. That's wild. I hope that you have an amazing new year and that you stay safe and have fun with your loved ones. The next time I'll be vlogging, I will be there in 2021 with you, so that's very exciting. Thanks for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I've got so many new fun videos coming your way in the new year, this year. I will see you very soon. Bye.